Presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: differential, heavy-duty locking rear, air cleaner, high capacity, 4-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, body, chassis cab, frame, fully boxed, hydrofoam front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.